Well, it's been a long, busy spring outside and haven't had much time to work on the electric Gator project for a while, but I did manage to finish the battery packs off. And you can see them there. One of them's got a lid on, the other one without. I'll get ready to put that on in a minute. So these are, I believe, out of backup batteries or cell phone towers. And I got them from batteryhookup.com. And each battery, and there's 53 in each pack, are rated for 200 amps, which is just about perfect for this project, I think. So there's 53 cells in each battery, and they're ranged in series of 13, so it's 13S. And then there's 4 cells in each group, or 4 cells parallel, so it's 13S, 4P, and each at 48 volts. I'll be installing them parallel with a Y connector going to the controller. So here we are. Lids both installed, so don't drop anything down in the battery pack. And here we have the controller and a contactor mounted on a 3/8 thick aluminum plate fastened to the back of the seat bracket. And by absolute chance, it's an absolute perfect fit on top of that toolbox. I don't remember measuring that, but maybe I did. By the way, these toolboxes are sitting on a 1x2 inch tubing that I MIG welded into the chassis and bolted the toolbox down to it. And the boxes have rubber pads inside for the batteries to sit on. I don't think last time I covered it, but I took the there was a coupler connecting the engine that wasn't here to the transmission that's inside the tail shift transmission housing. I took that to a machine shop, and they cut it down slightly and welded the large sprocket to it. So now all I've got to find out is I'm going to spin the motor first with the controllers to make sure all the wiring's working. If that's fine, then I'll put the chain on there and then find out if I'm going to require a tensioner or not. We'll see. So today I'm going to put the controller cables on, going from the motor to the controller, and build all the large wire sets. Then I'll pull that back off and do the small wiring and get it ready to go. Hopefully it won't take much longer.